The armed forces of Russian Federation and Ukraine reported the progress front line in the last 24 hours. There were armed clashes in some places June 6. In Kupyansk direction, the attacks, launched by aviation and artillery of the Zapad Group of Forces, have resulted in the neutralisation of the units of the Armed Forces of Ukraine, AFU, near Novomlynsk, Kislovka, Kharkov region, and Rozovka, Lugansk People's Republic. In addition, the activities of 4 Ukrainian sabotage and reconnaissance groups have been disrupted, said Igor Konashenkov, the Russian Federation Defense Ministry spokesman. The armed forces of Ukraine losses were 40 Ukrainian servicemen, 1 armoured fighting vehicle, 3 motor vehicles and 3 Grad MLRS. Lieutenant General Igor Konashenkov, the Russian Federation Defense Ministry spokesperson, said in total the armed forces of Ukraine lost 433 fighter jets, 236 helicopters, 4,486 unmanned aerial vehicles, 424 air defense missile systems and 9,431 tanks and other armored fighting vehicles. Also 1,114 fighting vehicles equipped with MLRS, 5,009 field artillery cannons and mortars, as well as 10,688 special military motor vehicles have been destroyed during the special military operation. The other side from Kyiv, the armed forces of Ukraine in an official statement June 6 said Russia lost 800 servicemen in a single day, including 12 tanks, 20 armored combat vehicles as well as 36 artillery units and 23 drones. President of Ukraine Volodymyr Zelensky thanked to all strategic partners who help Ukraine. Zelensky, said Ukraine to receive significant number of F-16s. President Volodymyr Zelensky said during a press conference that Ukraine will receive a significant number of F-16 fighter jets, based on discussions with European partners. Russia and Ukraine conflict has been lasting for 468 days. There is still no peace settlement between two sides.
Terima kasih sudah nonton, jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya!